So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to send money with Binance Pay. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So what is Binance Pay? So Binance Pay is a contactless, borderless, and secure cryptocurrency payment technology designed by Binance themselves. You can shop with crypto or send crypto to friends and family worldwide. So first off, we just head into our Binance and then right here. So if you have no Binance account, you must set it up and you must be verified. I repeat, you have to have a Binance account and you must set it up and you must be verified. So you just head onto your top left corner to head into your profile. So as you can see there, this is my profile right there. So let's just try to find for Binance Pay. So in Binance Pay, you will find it here in this tab right here, right next to the rewards hub. And as you can see right there, that is Binance Pay. So we just press it right there. And there you go. There's already a surprise for me in Binance Pay. So here in Binance Pay, you can send it to your family and friends. You can send crypto and so on and so forth. You can also use it to shop and other things too. So let's just claim now. And there you go. So never mind. So here in Binance Pay, it's pretty simple actually. So here you will see the send, receive, and scan button. So in Binance Pay right here, you will have to set it up and actually have a pay pin, which is 6 digits, and then it will send you a mobile and email verification. So I'll repeat guys, you'll have to, once you set it up, you'll have to have a pay pin, and it will be consisted with 6-digit code. So once you set it up, it will redirect you to this page, and then you'll have to have a mobile and email verification, and then you're good to go. Here you will see the send and receive button and scan. So here, when you send it, you will see here you can send through email, phone number, or Pay ID or Binance ID. It's like a simpler version of Binance where you can send crypto to other people and your family, friends, and other things. So here you just enter their email. Here you just enter their phone number. Here you just select their Pay ID, which will be found right here, the top left corner just below Binance Pay. As you can see there right there guys, there's my Binance Pay. So let's copy it. So let's just say you want to send it to someone, and then there you go, that's their Binance Pay ID, and then there you go. And you can also select their Binance ID right there. So you can also do receive. So here in receive, you'll have your QR code, and you can also set the currency and amount, and you can save the QR code. So you can save it to your gallery for others to scan. So you can set the currency and amount. So here you want to select the currency like PHP, Matic, and so on and so forth. So let's say 200, and then you'll have a note here. You can also say like, hi, this is my pay Binance Pay, and then there you go. So there you go, and then you'll just confirm, and then there you go. Once they have scanned it, they will automatically send it to you. And you can also request payment right here by selecting currency right there. You can select any cryptocurrency you want. So let's just say BTC. And then there you go, you enter the amount that you will have to be receiving. So let's say 2,000 Bitcoin. Oh my god, that's too much. Let's just say 0.0200. So there you go. It'll be automatically converted into your local currency, and then here you'll have an option to leave a note. And then after that, you can share the request link right there. And then you can share it through Telegram, WhatsApp, or you can copy the link itself. And then there you go, it's a request amount for 0.02 BTC, and that's also expiration time right there. So you just cancel right there, and there you go. That's just how you receive in Binance Pay. And here you can also scan. As you can see, you can scan QR codes. So there you go. So there's also a lot of options here like crypto box. It's like a gift code and something like that. So what's crypto box right here? So crypto box facilitates the distribution of crypto in a randomized or fixed manner So how do you send the crypto box? You just go to pay, crypto box, and create now. So here, just send it right there. You can send right there. So you can create one right there. So here's also a mobile top up, and there you go. You can top up your load and so on and so forth here in your Binance Pay using cryptocurrency, and you can also do bill payment. So you can do internet, electricity, or maybe your telecommunication provider, and you can also split bills. So if you want to split bills with people and you're paying through cryptocurrency, you can do it here. And you can also do spend to earn right here by shopping and doing other things. So there's also a live on crypto feature right here in the bottom. So it's a list of things you can do. You can actually buy airtime, book a hotel, perhaps order a meal, or book a flight. So these are just third-party services which are integrated into itself here in Binance Pay. So as you can see here, you can top up right there using Binance Pay, and you can also use Binance Pay to pay with these things. So it's a third party, so you can actually get some PlayStation cards and other things like that, gift cards, and you can also use it with your shopping with your credit cards and such. And right here, there's also CoinGate, Travella.com, where I said you can book a hotel or and such. So you can actually pay in cryptocurrency. So there you go, guys. It's a really new feature by Binance, which is really helpful, guys. You can also top up in here by entering your email account and then select domination. Then you can use your payment method as Binance Pay. It's very simple to do. So like I said a while ago, you can use these features right here and use Binance Pay on them. So like here in crypto refills, you will see that while it's loading here, there you go. You can shop using Binance Pay. So perhaps you want to do a discount card or perhaps a voucher for your e-commerce business like Nike, or you maybe want to do travel and flights like I mentioned a while ago. And then you can also use it on food. So if you want to go to 7-Eleven, for example, there you can have a gift card and use your Binance Pay as an option to pay for the crypto refill right here. So which is a gift card in 7-Eleven. So you just buy now. There you go. Then you will have right here, there's a total estimate of how much cryptocurrency it will use in Binance Pay. Then you'll just have to enter your email right here, and there you go. And that's just how you use Binance Pay right here with a lot of features. And as you can see here, that is Binance Pay. So if you find this tutorial useful, join Binance now by signing up with the link below, provided in the description box, to claim up to $1,200 limited time trading fee credit reward. So that's all for this video. That's how you send money with Binance Pay. And see you again in the next video. See you again next time.